I'm going to show you what I've been working on in my city. So, it's not necessarily a huge city update, it's more like a progress update, I guess you can call it. But we're starting right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. So I'm just going to do a short update today on what I'm planning for the city. What I'm currently working on doing. So I've moved the houses. I don't think I've shown that yet. But the plan is to move in the city police station here, which I'll have to build, the 2012 one. I took that set down before I even had this city. I had it in a different Lego city ages ago, but that set's been destroyed for more than a year. But I'm going to bring it back, I think, to go there, because I think it'll look good having the two emergency service buildings right next to each other. I do also have a fire station, but if I manage to fit that somewhere, it probably won't be there, because I'm not going to move the downtown diner, because there is literally nowhere else, no other good place to put it, because this area here is like the centre of the city. The lower part is more like the suburbs, the outskirts. This is the hub of the action, basically. I don't know what I'm going to do with this area here, but I'll definitely have to build something. I don't want to leave that empty. It's just a question of finding what can I fit in there that can cover from there to there. I haven't looked at the other table yet, so we're going to have a look right now. There you go, this is what I've done with the other table so far. I'm building an IKEA mock here. I'm not going to do an interior, probably not anyway, unless I have to rebuild that because I ran out of bricks. But if it fails, I will make more of an effort with the next one, I think. And it looks like I'm not going to have enough pieces to finish that at the moment, so. And what am I going to put there? I don't know, probably another house. That's the only idea I really have. I haven't really got a good placement for a beach there. I don't think I don't have the right shaped base plates in the right colour to do a beach. But you have the two houses here. They're for now the only two houses. You've got Cartman's house and Beavis and Butthead's house here. They're going to stay there. I think it's better than having them in the city centre, because when do you ever see houses in the city centre? You don't. Then there's the townhouse, pet shop and cafe. Looks a bit weird having the balcony that's basically on the same level as the pavement of the downtown diner, but yeah, I kind of like that, where it is. I still don't know what I'm going to do along here. Maybe I'll just leave that as it is, but I might be able to find something that fits there, possibly. But that is everything that I have today. Every change I've made so far. There's not going to be cars for a while because I'm working on making it more 80s-ish, I guess. So I'm going to be taking the current cars off the road and replacing them with cars that will look more 80s. But for now, this is my progress update on the city. I think that's the best shot I can get of it that shows most of it, if not all. But that's the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.